Ever wondered how to turn your digital investments into cold, hard cash? If you've been using Stashway to grow your money, you might be curious about the process of withdrawing your funds. Let's dive right in. Understanding the basics. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's essential to understand that Stashway is an investment platform. This means your money is invested in various assets, and it's not like a traditional savings account where you can withdraw instantly. The cash out process, step by step. Log into your Stashway account. This is the first and most obvious step. Ensure you're using the correct login credentials. Navigate to your portfolio. Once logged in, find your portfolio. This is where you'll see a breakdown of your investments. Initiate a withdrawal request. Look for a withdraw or cash out button. This is usually straightforward to find. Specify the withdrawal amount. You can choose to withdraw a portion of your investment or the entire amount. Select your withdrawal method. Stashway typically offers multiple withdrawal methods, such as bank transfer or mobile money. Choose the one that suits you best. Confirm your request. Double-check all the details, especially the withdrawal amount and the selected method. Wait for processing. Once you've confirmed, Stashway will process your request. The processing time can vary, so be patient. Important considerations. Market volatility. The value of your investment can fluctuate. It's advisable to check the current market value before withdrawing. Withdrawal fees. Some platforms might charge a fee for withdrawals. Check Stashway's specific terms and conditions. Tax implications. Be aware of any tax implications related to your withdrawals, especially if you've made significant gains. Minimum withdrawal amount. Stashway might have a minimum withdrawal amount. Processing time. The time it takes for the funds to reach your account can vary. Tips for a smooth cash-out process. Plan ahead. Don't wait until you need the money urgently. Plan your withdrawals in advance. Stay informed. Keep an eye on market trends and your investment performance. Contact support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Stashway's customer support. Review your investment strategy. After withdrawing, consider reassessing your investment strategy. Cashing out from Stashway is a relatively simple process, but it's important to understand the nuances. By following these steps and keeping the above considerations in mind, you can smoothly withdraw your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.